Hello students, welcome to School of Maths. A trusted name in maths believes in knowledge with concepts. Presenting the fourth video of speed maths techniques. Today's topic is both the numbers are near to perfect base number. Multiplication of both the numbers near to perfect base numbers. Now suppose you know what are perfect base numbers. 1 followed by any number of zeros are called as perfect base numbers. For example, 10, 100, 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crores, 1 abja, etc. So, first example for this is both the numbers are near to perfect base number. My perfect base number here is 100. Multiplicand and multiplier, both the numbers are near to perfect base number. So, multiplicand is near to perfect base number 100. It is more by 5. So, I will write 5 here. Second number, multiplicand is 106. It is more by 6 than base number. We are writing here difference between base number and actual number. This is our multiplicand and multiplier. Now what to do? The difference between perfect base number and the number is 5 plus 5, and multiplicand difference between 100 and 6 is 6. We will have to make two parts, right hand side and left hand side. Remember, our right hand side should be as much zeros there are on perfect base number. So, there are 2 zeros on perfect base numbers. Our right hand side will be 2 digits. What to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. 5 6 are 30. That is our right hand side. And now left hand side. 105 plus 6 or 106 plus 5. So, 105 plus 6 is 111. So, our answer is 11,130. Another example, 103 into 109. Difference, again both the numbers are near to 100. Difference is plus 3 and plus 9. Right hand side 9 3s are 27. Left hand side 103 plus 9 or 109 plus 3. 109 plus 3 is 112. So, answer is 11,207. One more example, 104 into 111. Again both the numbers are near to 100. It is more by 4. 111 is more by 11. Right hand side, multiplication of these two, 11 4s are 44, and left hand side 104 plus 11 115. So, answer is 11,544. Now, see, if when right hand side is greater than left 2 digit numbers, suppose 135 into 108. Here difference between perfect base number and the number is 35, and difference between 108 and 100 is 8, plus 35 plus 8. Your right hand side will be 280, and left hand side 135 plus 8 or 108 plus 35, it is 143. But see, what is the rule? Rule is 100 carries 2 zeros. So your right hand side should be 2 digits. This extra digit we will shift to left hand side and add it there. So our answer is 145. 143 plus 245 and 80. So answer is 14,580. One more example like this. 165 into 105. This number is more by 65. Now see, when you practice more, no need to write difference like this. We can do direct also. The number is, both the numbers are near to 100. Difference is 65 and 5. So our right hand side will be 325. Left hand side 165 plus 570. As both the numbers are near to 100, 100 carries 2 zeros. So our right hand side will be 2 digits. So 25 and 3 we will shift to left hand side. Our answer is 170 plus 3 is 173. So answer is 17,325. Some more examples. Now greater examples we are taking. One 1008 into 1007. Both the numbers are near to 1000. I will tell you directly, no need to explain it in detail because I have explained it earlier properly. Multiplication of difference, 8 into 7, 56. 8 sevens are 56. But as your right hand side, perfect base number carries 3 zeros, your right hand side will be 3 digits. Your right hand side should be 3 digits. So I will add here extra 0 for 3 digits. Now 108 plus 7 is 115. So our answer is 1015056. 10 lakhs 15,056. Some more examples like this. 1212 into 1003. Difference is 212 and 3. Right hand side will be 636. Left hand side 1212 plus 3 1250. So answer is 12 lakhs 15,636. Some greater examples. 12,365 into 10,002. Both the numbers are near to 10,000. Difference between 12,365 and 10,000 is 2,365, and difference between 10,000 and 10,002 is 2. Left hand side will be 2 5 7 8 2 6 7 5 plus 4,730, and sorry, this is right hand side, and left hand side will be 12,365 plus 2 12,367. So answer is 12 crores 36 lakhs 74,730. This much greater multiplications also we are solving in some seconds. Now some more examples. 1,23,000 into 1,03,000. Again both the numbers are near to 1 lakh. As 1 lakh carries 5 zeros, our right hand side will be 5 digits. So 23 threes are 69, but as our right hand side should be 5 digit, I will add 3 zeros, and now left hand side 1,23,000 plus 3, 1,26,000. This is your answer 100,026,00069. 10 crores 26, 10 abja 26 lakhs 69 is the answer. Students, use our speed maths techniques and be confident with your calculations. Please feel free to share your comments in comment section. For more videos on speed maths techniques, please subscribe to our channel School of Maths by Mrs. Jyoti Kajal.